Good evening guys, welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, SSC asked questions from analogy. Only SSC asked questions from the title analogy. Come on, let's enter into the session. The first question is B is to 16, D is to question mark. And the options are A 120, B 150, C 200, and then D 256. What we have to do first? We have to write the alphabets along with numbers in alphabetical order and in reversal order. So already I have written. Just look at this. From A to Z in alphabetical order, I have number A as 1 up to Z as 26, A1, B2, and also in reversal order Z as 1, Y as 2, and so on, A as 26. Okay, please make it down and write it aside. Then only it easy to compare and write the answer. Okay, then only it will easy to compare along with the question and number. Then only you can find the answer easily. Can you understand my words? Come on, let's compare it. Here B is 16 and they asked D is what? So from the alphabet series, here B is 2. So B is 2. Just note down it. And D is 4. D is 4. So B is 2. How we will get B is 16? By using this number 2. 2 power 4. Am I right? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 2 power 4 is 16. So 16. Similarly, the same pattern you should use here. So D is 4. 2 power 4. Here also 4 power 4. What is 4 power 4? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. It means here is 16 and here also 16. 16 into 16 is 256. So 256 is the right answer. Can you get it? This is a simple sum, and this question was asked in SSC exam 2003. Okay, simple sum. Compare the number with alphabet and make a power 4 on it. 2 power 4 16, 4 power 4 256. Now we are moving to second sum. The question is C is to 16, F is to what? This question also asked in SSC exam 2003 from the topic analogy. And the options are A 30, B 40, C 49, and then D 50. Okay, so now compare C with the alphabet with number. So C is 3. And what about F? F is 6. Okay, how we will get 16 from 3? See here, C is 3. 3 by adding plus 1 with 3 we will get 4. 4 square makes 16. Okay. Here F is 6. So you already note down it. So 6, again same rule, plus 1 gives 7. And then square on it gives 49. 7 square 49. So 49 is the correct answer. The clue is we have to do the alphabet, number, a square or cube or power 4 or power x, and addition, subtraction, multiplication, anything we have to do to get the answer. And the same pattern also repeated to get the answer. Okay. Now we are moving to third sum. M cross n is to 13 into 14. F cross r is question mark. The options are A 7 is to 19, B 5 is to 17, C 14 is to 15, and then D 6 into 18. This question was asked in SSC exam 2005 question paper. Okay, SSC exam 2005. So what is M? M is 13. Okay, M is 13. What is N? N is 14 in alphabetical order. Okay, mostly they will give question in alphabetical order. In reversal order, maybe one question. So here M into N, 13 is to 14. So here we found M is 13 and N is 14. So M is 13 is to 14. Just alphabetical order multiplication. So this is simple question. So found for F and R. It's found at it. F is 6 and then R is 18. So what's the answer? F cross R is 6 into 18. Option D is the right answer. So simple sum. Note down it. Now we are moving to fourth question. Question number 4. DE is 10. HI is question mark. This question was asked in SSC exam 2002. And the options are 17, B 20, C 36, and then D 46. Okay. What is D? D is number 4. And what is E? E is 5. So let's make down for H and I too. What is H? H is 8 and I is 9. In alphabetical order we have to compare. Okay. 4, 5. But here they given 10. So 5 plus 4, 9. So not 10. 5 into 4, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. So let's check out like this. 5 cross 4 is 20 divided by 2. We will get 10. Same one is work out for this or not. Let's check out. 9 into 8 is 72 divided by 2. gives 36. Yeah, here the option, in option 36 is present, so 36 is the right answer. A simple sum, but we have to think what we have to do with the numbers. Say the multiplication, division, or square, cube, or power of x, or adding, subtracting, plus 1, minus 1. We have to think over it. Now the fifth sum is mk is to 169 divided by 121. JH is to what? This question also asked in SSC exam 2002. And the options are A 100 by 64, B 100 by 81, C 64 by 120, and then D 81 by 100. So what is M? M is 13 in alphabetical order, and K is 11 in alphabetical order. So M square, K square, we can easily analyze. M square is 13 square, 11 square, which is 169 divided by 121. Here also the same one. So now same rule for J by H. What is J? J is 10 in alphabetical order and H is 8 in alphabetical order. So 10 square, 8 square, 100 by 64. Option A is the right answer. Can you get it? A simple sum. J square, H square, 10 square, 8 square, 164. Now we are moving to sixth sum. Okay. T divided by J is to 2 when X divided by H is to what? And this question was asked in SSC exam 2005. Okay. And the options are A 2, B as 3, and C is 23 by 7, and then D 4. What is T? What is J? We have to note down it. So what is T? T is 20 in alphabetical order. Similarly, what is J? J is 10. J is 10 in alphabetical order. So 20 divided by 10 gets 2. You will get 2. So here also 2 only in question. So this is the clue behind it. Similarly, for X divided by H, what is X? X is 24 in alphabetical order and H is 8 in alphabetical order. 24 divided by 8 gives what? 3. So option B, 3 is the right answer. So these are the simple SSC exam asked question from title analogy. What we have to do means we have to number this alphabet before the exam starts. Okay. In alphabetical order 1 to 26 and also in reversal order 1 to 26, then only you can easily compare it and do the sums as fast as you can do. Okay. So here I conclude. Tomorrow we can see with some more SSC exam asked question under the title analogy. Okay. If you like it, please comment it. If you have any doubt, please comment it. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Happy day.